Hello everyone, this is Nelson Bonilla with Legacy Outdoor Living, and this is our latest project, Shanice in Powder Springs. These projects I've noted before are probably some of my favorites, and we've been involved in some pretty large projects. But the reason why these projects are sometimes my favorites is because it again helps us illustrate that we do not have to spend a fortune just to kind of reclaim, enhance, upgrade a certain outdoor living space. Now, we're here at Shanice's place. This is actually day 2. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna line this pea gravel walkway with our Crab Orchard tan ruble edging. You can kind of see some lines there. And here is her patio, which she's done a really cute job. Lots of color. Love the floor plan, love the canopy. Couple splashes of color with the pots and the cushions. But the patio was a little tight, as you can see. So what Legacy is gonna do is we're gonna expand it around the entire perimeter. What you see there is our Templehurst Tremron 3-piece paver. This color is the Sierra color. So again, we're going to line this perimeter with our stone edging, and we're going to expand the existing patio roughly about an additional 160 square feet around the entire perimeter. All right, this little footer here is for our cooking island. So Mr. Price purchased a new smoker. He's got his own portable grill. We just wanted to construct him a very modest cooking island so that we can set the smoker in, have a little countertop prep area, and then that way, as you can see, the island is going to be facing the party. Today, outdoor grilling, outdoor cooking is a social event. So I hate it when there are outdoor kitchens and we're forced, to cook away from the party as everyone's hanging out and we have cooking or grilling duty. Now, Mr. Price can just walk on out, walk around his little cooking island, and he's here cooking and he's a part of the social event. It's great. So, and then lastly, what we're gonna do, because we had some budget restraints, we couldn't veneer the entire concrete patio. We're going to stain the concrete a solid base color and just kind of tie everything in. So again, this is day 2. I think this is gonna take us another day or so to wrap up. Shanice, thank you so much for trusting Legacy Outdoor Living with your backyard project. You guys give me a couple more days and I will get you an update.